I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So I'm pretty excited to be filming this video today, like super excited. I was so excited to wash my hair to actually film this video. I will be doing a review of Mallowri Naturals, a Jamaican brand. So if you guys want to see how I get a wash and go with this brand, stay tuned. Mallowri Naturals, I want to mention that I got these products in a giveaway. I actually participated in a giveaway by the page on Instagram, Mommy For Real, and I put them in the description and somewhere on the screen so you guys can follow them. It's about mom life, and even if you're not a mom, you can follow and learn a whole lot. So I'm actually very thankful to be able to bring this video to you. You know, I never think I would have win, but I actually win, so I'm very excited about that. And of course, I really want to thank Mallowri Naturals also, you know, for providing me with these products. Definitely very excited to try it because it's a Jamaican natural hair brand. Also, I want to remind you guys to subscribe, like this video. Just stop and like it right now. I could just pause, make you like it. You like it? Alright, cool. Also, what comment can you leave me? Can you leave me a Jamaican flag in the comments to let me know that you're watching, in the whole spirit of using a Jamaican product today? Also, I want to remind you to check out the previous video on my channel, and remember to comment what else you'd like to see on the channel. Alright, so I need to hurry up and actually run through this because my hair, as maybe you've noticed, is dripping. I literally just washed out my deep conditioner. And the deep conditioner that I used today was the Pure Honey Line by Cream of Nature, their mask. That's the deep conditioner I used. And I used actually a Tresemme shampoo. I think it's called Moisture Rich, but simple. So I actually, in the giveaway, won 2 products. And I'm very excited because I can actually use these 2 products to bring to you a wash and go. So I'm very excited. So the first product is Mallowri Naturals Jelly Coconut, and it's spelled so cute, like it's so Jamaican-esque, like even the colors and everything, like it just shouts and screams Jamaica. And it's a leave-in detangling treatment with marshmallow roots and coconut oil. It has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oils, no petroleum, just enough love. And I love that the descriptions are like in Jamaican slang, like in the ingredients it starts off by saying it has enough love, it's made with enough love. So I really like that. Yeah, so let me read the directions to you of this one. This is the leave-in detangling treatment. After shampooing and conditioning, apply evenly to hair from root to tip. For best results, follow up with Mallowri Naturals Second Seal. Now I don't have the Second Seal, but the other product that I have is the Mallowri Naturals 1 cocoa full of curl defining pudding. So I'm definitely excited to try that. This has cocoa butter and cocoa butter, and they're both a product of Jamaica, as I would have mentioned probably several times, but I'm well excited for that video here. The directions on this one says, after washing and conditioning hair, apply Mallowri Naturals Jelly Coconut Detangling Leave-In. Coat strands with a moderate amount of 1 cocoa full of curls. Let air dry for wash and go, or twist and braid for twist out or braid out. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a wash and go. It looked like a wash and go I can actually do. If you guys haven't checked out my last natural hair fail of the twist and curl that I tried for the first time, check it out. I'll put it in the cards and link it in the description. So I'm just gonna stick to what I know, which is a wash and go. I'm gonna take down my hair, which I'm hoping is not all the way dried out because, as I said, I just came out the shower from washing it out. Of course it dried, but not to fear, you know, I always have a little spray bottle with some water here, so I will spray it when I need to. I'm just going to split my hair in 2, and then I will apply it to each section. So of course my hair already dry out because you know me have the high porosity here, so my hair just drinks up anything that's put on it. And first impressions, I must say that these 2 products look very thick, like especially the leave-in looks very thick, and my hair really loves thick products. So I'm even more excited to try this. So I'm going to try my best to kind of spray down my hair. Alright, so let's go. First impressions. Oh god, this is really thick. Oh! Oh wait, hold on, maybe it's sealed because I'm like, nothing is coming out. No, okay. Alright, so I had to take off the top because this is really thick. This is what it looks like. This is how much I'm taking just to start on this entire section. It smells, it kind of has a faint sweet kind of smell, which is not bad. Usually also I apply my leave-in conditioner, not deep conditioner. I don't know why I keep saying that. I usually apply it like straight out the shower. So if as soon as I wash out the deep conditioner on my hair, I usually just apply it same time because it gets a little time to kind of sit on my hair a little bit and soak up in my hair. So but because I wanted to kind of let you guys see how the leave-in conditioner reacts with my hair, I applied it this way instead. I love when my hair is like really wet and I have the deep conditioner and the leave-in conditioner. I don't know what is wrong with me, but yeah, I love when my hair is really wet and I add the leave-in conditioner. I feel like it just soaks up a lot better. But so far, what you guys think? I think I might add a little bit more. Yeah, adding this much more, but it's not bad. It said that it's supposed to be detangling. I mean, my hair was already detangled. Why I can't talk today? My hair was already detangled, so I mean, how does it look? You guys tell me in the comments how it looks. It looks alright. This is what my hair looks like with the leave-in conditioner. Of course, this side starts to dry out already, gonna know my hair stay. I'm gonna go ahead now and start sectioning my hair in order to start doing my wash and go. So here we go. I am sectioning the back as usual. I love to start from the back. I'm not gonna be doing like super small sections, to be honest. My hair feels nice though. It feels soft, it feels moisturized. So I'm hoping that my results will be like really good. Yeah, so I've taken out the back section. Wipe off my glasses a little because hair product I can't see. But yeah, so I have taken out the back section. I'm actually, because of the instruction, she said to use with like an oil or a gel. So I love to use the Blue Magic coconut oil hair conditioner. I love to use this as a sealant for me, added moisture and all of that. So I'll be using this, and I'll also be using my Wetline Extreme. You guys know that that's not my favorite gel, but it's the one I have currently, and because I have such a big container, I will not be buying back my Eco Crystal until this is finished, because I am not a hoarder nor a product junkie. So yeah, now wait till them product here finish before I buy new products. So me there. So one cocoa full of curls is actually a spin-off of a Jamaican proverb, which is one cocoa full basket. I'll put what it means on the screen, or if you guys know what it means, comment down in the comment section. But this is the consistency of it. It looks really thick, and you guys know that I love thick products. So here we go, people, here we go. As usual, you know that I like to section a section out of the section. So I'll be taking about this much, and I'll be clipping the rest away. And I'm just gonna be raking, I think. Yeah, my hair does feel soft. Of course, it dry out already, so I'm gonna add a little also have my detangling brush. I'm going to be raking for the most part, but I still would like to detangle a little bit. So first I'm going to be going in with the 1-1 cocoa, so I'm going to be using this much. And I'm going to build it up if I need to. Ooh, your girl like this. And it does smell like cocoa. It doesn't have like a chocolatey smell, but it does have like a natural cocoa smell, which is not bad. I'm going to add a little bit more to my ends, because the ends need love. So this is my hair with obviously the leave-in conditioner and the 1-1 cocoa full of curls. Now I know this is not going to hold and this is not going to last for me, because I love my styles to last one entire full week until I'm ready to wash again. If you're watching me a long time, you know that I don't do my hair in between wash days. I do it one time and then do it again when it's wash day again. So I'm actually going to follow up that with a little bit of the coconut oil Blue Magic, just for some added shine and to kind of seal in the product. And then I'm going to put the gel on top of that. And I'm just raking the product through my hair. So this is what the first section looks like. I hope you guys are seeing that well. Yeah. Feels very soft, very moisturized. But you know, when it dries will really be the true test of how my hair really holds up. So anyway, I'm just gonna continue to go through. So I'm gonna speed up the part here, and when I finish applying all the products all over my head, I will come back and tell you what I think. Okay guys, so I have completed all of my hair, and honestly I must say I think my hair looks absolutely beautiful. Like, I think my hair looks so good, and there is not a drop of frizz inside. Now usually if you've been watching Just Devi Marie for a while, you know that this area is where I have a lot of frizz. Even sometimes before my hair dries and I'm applying the product, it's very difficult for me to get that part to kind of just lay down the way I want it to. But I'm impressed. I'm honestly impressed so far. This is what my hair looks like. I think the curls look absolutely beautiful, like, I'm not even a lie. But the real test comes when my hair dries. Now you guys know that I don't blow dry or sit on that dryer, I do air dry. So I'm gonna wait for a couple hours, and then when my hair is completely dry, I will show you what that looks like. I don't know if I'm gonna stretch my hair, but if I do, I will tell you guys about that in the next clip. So I just have a few thoughts while my hair is still wet. The 1-1 full of curls, that one, remember I showed you that one, and that one was like super thick. The consistency was super thick, but surprisingly when I was actually applying it, right, even though it's thick in consistency, it went on pretty light. Now you saw that I used the coconut oil from Blue Magic to apply along with the 1-1 cocoa full of curls, and it blended absolutely perfectly with it. I didn't have any clumps. You know, sometimes when your products don't mix well and you have those clumps of product. I didn't experience that, so I'm pretty happy about that because the Blue Magic is actually a staple in my routine, and also it did not clump up with the wet line, and I'm very, very, very happy for that. I don't know, I just feel like my hair looks really beautiful. I think like every curl is just intact perfectly. I don't know, I'm honestly really feeling it, so I'm excited to see how it will dry. So I will see you guys in the next clip when my hair is completely dry. Okay guys, so I am back. My hair is completely dry, and honestly I am loving my results. Like, I love it. So I'm just coming on here to show you what my hair looks like. So let's just have a look. Just kind of get into these results. Get into it, people. And I did stretch it. I did stretch it using a blow dryer. If you guys want to see how I stretch my hair with a blow dryer, I will leave that video linked in the description, and I will always also leave it in the cards if you guys want to check out that video. So I'm just coming on to give you my final results on each product. So I'm gonna start first with the leave-in detangling treatment, the jelly coconut leave-in detangling treatment with marshmallow root and coconut oil. Now this, if you guys follow me on Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me at Devi. I actually put out a question to you guys on my Instagram asking what leave-ins do you use, because I just find that leave-ins don't work for me. But I think the reason why I felt like they didn't work was because my hair is high porosity, which means that it soaks up product really quickly. So if the product is really light, my hair will just soak it up and it will still feel kind of dry. I won't get that moisturized feeling because that's just how my hair is. It soaks up product easily, which means it also does lose product easily because of the pores in my hair. So I think this thick leave-in like was perfect for me. The one thing I do think though is that the cover, the cover here, it wasn't the best for me. You see, because the product is so thick, it's very hard to get out of it. I actually just ended up taking off the cover and actually just turning it over and just squeezing it out that way, because this wasn't really working for me. But I mean, that is the least. As long as I can get out the product, like, I'm not very fussy about that. So I definitely enjoy this product, and it also has a really nice smell. Like, the scent is really light. I can still smell it in my hair now that my hair is dry, but the scent is really light. It almost want to remind me of like a pina colada or something. I don't know, it just gives me that kind of tropical vibe. So I really like that. I really like that it was thick. The other thing is that I didn't really use it to detangle because I had already detangled my hair in the shower. So to me, it didn't have that much slip, but I definitely can appreciate this leave-in. So I really enjoyed this. Now, for the next product, which is the one that I love the most out of the two, is the 1-1 Cocoa Full of Curls Curl Defining Pudding with cocoa butter and cucumber butter. I don't know what cucumber butter is, but when I tell you that I love this product, guys, I love this product. I know that I probably would have said before that I found this product a little bit light, and because I found it a little bit light, I was a little bit concerned. I already said my hair loves thick products. It's thick, you know, but like when it goes on, it felt a little bit light. And I don't know if it was a combination with using a leave-in that actually gave me moisture, and I could actually feel on my hair, because sometimes when I put on leave-ins, I just don't feel anything. My hair doesn't feel any different. You understand what I'm saying? So I don't know if it's the combination of the two, but y'all, I love this product. I love it. It also has a nice soft light smell to this one. Smells more like a natural kind of cocoa kind of smell, which is obvious because it's 1-1 Cocoa Full of Curls. So I really enjoyed this one, and I love the packaging on it too. It was easy for me to open. And another thing that I should mention with both products is that I love that they're in 8 ounces. Now I have a lot of hair, and I wouldn't say I lose a whole lot of product each time, but I have a lot of hair, so therefore I have a lot of grounds to cover. And I love that they came in very good sizes. Like, anything smaller than this for me, it kind of don't make sense. I use it a couple times and it's done, and I have to buy a product again. So I really enjoyed this, and of course I love that it was a product of Jamaica. I could really tell that it was made with love. Like, I don't know, I just love handmade or local products. I don't know, I just feel like the quality is always so much better when people actually sit down and take the time to make it, and I feel like it definitely was made with love. So I definitely love this one. I feel like it defined my hair. My hair is extremely moisturized even after it has dried out, and I expect that this will last me for the entire week. I don't know if it's a combination of products or what, but I really enjoyed this product a whole lot. Even when I was going ahead to stretch it with heat, I didn't feel like my hair was becoming dry. You know, sometimes when you're drying your hair with a blow dryer, your hair starts to dry out. I feel like the moisture was definitely locked into my hair, and therefore I can still get these wonderful results even after blow drying and stretching with heat. So I'm really loving it, guys. You guys can let me know what you guys think in the comments. Go ahead and follow Mallory Naturals. Please go and support them. These have my stamp of approval. This video was not sponsored by them or anything. As I mentioned, I won these items in a giveaway. But you know me, I'm Friday Friday, so I was so eager to try them, and I'm so glad that I really love them. I would definitely purchase these products again. So I would encourage you to check out the page. Their information will be in the description below. Also check out the page Momming for Real 2020. That's the page that I actually won the giveaway on. If you're a mom or you want to be a mom anytime soon, or you just want to learn about stuff, because knowledge is power, you guys can check out their page. I want to thank you again for watching this video, you guys. Remember to subscribe. Give this video a like if you like my hair. Remember to leave the Jamaican flag in the comments to let me know that you are watching. Also check out my previous videos and also my latest Yardments video. That's my other channel. Check them out. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.